Hope you are all doing good. Let's solve the weekly contest 484. Question number B, number of centered subarray. So we have given one integer array nums and a subarray called centered if the sum of all the element in that subarray should be equal to at least one of the element of that particular subarray. Then it's called a centered subarray, and our job is to find the centered subarray. So let's go to the whiteboard and solve. Let's discuss the problem first. So when I first approached the question, so let's suppose we had given one output sorry number nums array -1 1 and 0. So for that output is 5. How? So I started thinking in this way that every element is in itself is a centered subarray, because the length is 1 and the sum of one element is equal to sum of one element, right? So that is the reason why here if you see -1 1 and 0, three separate subarray are the part of the answer, right? Then I started thinking that okay, for the length one we had sorted out. For length 2, what should be the case? So when you are summing two element, the sum will never be equal to one of the element until and unless one of the element should have equal to 0, otherwise it will not possible, right? So for that I figured out that for all the length 2, the uh, possible outcome should be x comma 0, and similarly for length 3, it not need equal to x minus xy, but the point which I'm trying to make is it should be equalized to element, and the third element should be the uh, sum of entire subarray, right? But then I realized that the constraint it's given very less. It's given as a size of array is less than or equal to 500, right? So in that range we can generate all the subarray, and we can do whatever they are asking us to do. So it's not a kind of any tricky question, it's just an implementation problem what I feel, and I would rate this problem as an easy problem. So what I had approached let's generate all the subarray, and the standard code to generate all the subarrays with the help of two for loop. So what we'll do, we'll locate our first pointer at 5, and we'll run our second pointer j from I till the end of the array. Then we'll slowly so with this way we'll generate first this 5, then in next iteration 5 25, 5 25 76, 5 25 76 19. So this way we'll capture every subarray which is starting from 5. The same way every subarray which is starting from 25, the subarray which start every subarray which is starting from 76, and so on and so forth, right? Meanwhile what we need to do, we need to maintain the sum of the subarray which we are taking, and also we need to keep a track of all the element which are been part of the subarray. Like what I mean to say is ki uh, let's suppose we are traversing from 5 to 25, then 5 25 76. So at 76 what I'll check what is the sum of the my subarray 5 plus 25 plus 76. So that sum I should carry while doing the for loop, and also I need the some kind of set where I'll maintain 5 25 and 76, and I'll check my sum is present of that set or not, and if it is so, then the subarray is a centered subarray. I'll show it in the code. It might make easy. Yeah, so you can clearly see what I had did was I initialized one answer variable here and I'm running a for loop at line number 7 and line number 11. At line number 9 I'm taking a current sum of the all the subarray, and at line number 13 you can see I'm like it's a simple summation of every subarray which we are doing. Additionally what I had did, I had taken one set. In this set I'm pushing every element of my current subarray which is starting of element at index I, and I am checking every time at line number 14 if my this previous number set is containing my current sum or not. If it is so, then I'll returning the answer. Okay, so let me try to run this. Yep, let's try to submit this. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thanks.